Howdy tubes, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today in my room today, I'm a little bit angry and a little frustrated with some of the negative, rude people out there on YouTube, basically in the comment section below. But if you got nothing nice to say, keep your opinions to yourself, because guess what? I don't care about your rude negative comments anymore, because I will block your channel and delete your negative comments, because I am just so sick and tired of everybody calling me all these goofy names and stuff like that. But I'm not worried about that no more. Let's get into two unboxing packages today for all of my awesome YouTube fans. If you're curious on what I am going to be unboxing today, is this video light. Basically, here's the light and here's the bracket itself. But if we look back here, it's not just for all sorts of different cameras. It's for this one, can be used for that one, or even this one right here. It's basically a pretty cool light. I'm going to be taking a look at it and seeing how this light actually performs and works for me. And the second unboxing, basically, is going to be about this guy right here. And this is basically to do with low shots, stills, and videos and stuff. It's pretty cool. So it's kind of interesting to pick up. But like I said, I know I had to deal with a bunch of negative, rude people, but please, stop leaving rude comments. But let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Awesome. Chris, wait a minute here. I thought you was going to be unboxing only 2 items instead of actual 3. But basically, I'm not unboxing the actual microphone itself. I just want to show you what microphone I have on my camcorder itself. Here is the actual bracket. This is the windscreen foam. And of course, this is the stereo microphone, basically. And it only uses the AAA battery, not included with this package. And basically you can use it for all sorts of different types of cameras and camcorders and stuff like that. It's kind of a nice microphone. Have a look on the back. Looks pretty nice. But let's kind of put that off to the side. We're not interested in that. We're interested in something like this. Let's unbox the easier one, should I say. And basically that's what it looks like. No instructions or anything like that. Pull it out of the box. There you have it. Black stick. And basically what this does is you can attach your cameras. That's also nice. It has these different mount points as well. Yeah, I'll show you. Here's my old camera, what I used to use for filming, but not a whole lot no more. Yeah, it's a little tricky to get on now. Just gotta line up the little hole there. And once you line it up, you just screw this little bracket down, and you can adjust it however you choose. And there you go. And that's basically how you mount your camera. I thought that was pretty cool. I do have a camera bag for all my accessories for my camcorder, but basically none of these are going to fit in the actual camera bag itself. But I'm going to explain a little bit about this. I wish this was made out of aluminum. It would have been a lot stronger that way, but I understand the reason why it's lightweight, because it's all made out of plastic. Basically, it's still a nice quality product, but it would have been nice if it was actual made out of aluminum, a little bit stronger that way. But we're not going to talk too much about this. We are going to unbox this guy, basically the bracket and the actual LED light itself. So let's go and have some fun. See, you're getting instructions? Probably not. Let's see. Basically got your instructions, I guess, though, but... no instructions. Whoop. Don't need that no more. And this is the actual bracket. This is actual made aluminum, and that's nice. This is called a hot shoot mount, basically for different accessories as well. And basically, finally, this is the video light. It does takes two AA batteries. That's nice. Pause this up. Let's see. Negative this down. I guess. Well, I figured out how it all kind of goes in. This is not a very good quality light needle, but it works for the time being. And of course, I didn't get it. Oh wait, tail. So pay attention here. I guess this is positives up and negatives up, I guess. It's a little tricky, but we'll figure it out. Let's see. There we go. Light works. Very bright. Very nice. No dimming. Just a little light. Those are two items I basically just unboxed. And I know some of you are going to say, Chris, are you going to unbox the actual microphone? No, not today, not in this vlog. Maybe in a different vlog or something like that. But basically, this item here I never had before. I think this will work very fantastic for taking photos and also filming a lot of different things with a low shot functionality. It's very nice. But basically, here is the actual video light. This light has 35 LEDs in total. I mean, it's okay. But of course, he kind of cheaped out. Okay, you can kind of see this is plastic, not metal. But I mean, it does work for what you get for about $20. But basically, here's a side comparison of these two items. This has 160 LED lights in it. And plus, the batteries in this are rechargeable. It's the rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. And this is 10 times brighter than this guy. I mean, close. Well, basically, they're all pretty bright. But hey, you know what? This guy here I got also off of Amazon, and I only paid about maybe 50 bucks for this. And I like this one a lot better. It's a little bit bigger, it has more LEDs, and not just that, it also shines more light on the items you're trying to photograph and also film as well. But there's a side comparison of the two. And by the way, this one here is actual metal as well. Take this piece off. See? Metal. And plastic. But you know, it's all good. You get what you get, I guess. Just be careful when you screw this in not to cross thread it, because you strip out the plastic, then this will basically come useless. But it's all good. What can you do? Alright. But there is my two lights. Awesome. I understand my awesome viewers want me to do own different of vlogging. For example, like Chris, why can't you just play video games on YouTube? Well, here's the thing. I can't use that content because it's copyrighted material. The same thing like TV shows, music, and also movies. I can't use any of that on my channel. I don't know how people get around it without getting copyright strikes on the channel and stuff. But basically, I understand my channel is somewhat not as entertaining like it used to be. It's like, Chris, we need you to be more active on your channel and do different style videos instead of talking about technology and accessories for your camcorder and different things like that. We just want you to do different things. I understand that, guys and girls. For example, I can't film in a public space because not a lot of people want to be on camera. It's called being rude and disrespectful, and I am not that type of person. For example, if I go out to Goodwill, I'm not going to film the Goodwill store because that's something I don't do. I know some people have done it, but hey. I only did the unboxing of the 2 items to kind of show you what the actual look like. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day. We'll catch you later in the future vlog. Peace out.